Bill's not fat, but Bill's build a fatty. Bill bills that are never scratty. Bill takes bills and the bill's quite fatty. Bill wants to bill a bill, so Bill a fatty. Bill's not fat, but Bill's build a fatty. Bill bills that are never scratty. Bill takes bills and the bill's quite fatty. Bill wants to bill a bill, so Bill a fatty.
If you're talking drawers, then I'm talking tubby. If I'm holding drawers, then I'm walking chubby. Got a mouthful of grease, cause the cheese is grubby. If you're talking MCs, then you're talking gubby. Talking drawers, I'm talking tubby. If I'm holding drawers, I'm walking chubby. Got a mouthful of grease, cause the cheese is grubby. If you're talking MCs, then you're talking gubby.
Talking trod, you're talking hard. If you're talking trod, then you're talking bars. If I'm talking bars, then I'm talking fast, cause MC scrap bag don't come last. No. Talking trod, you're talking hard. Talking trod, then you're talking bars. If you're talking bars, I'm talking fast, cause MC scrap bag never comes last.
If we're talking postcodes, we're talking blue. Cause when I talk cheese, I'm talking blue. Pull out a Rizzler, King Slim blue. Arrange back, poke, tear, lick, see through. If we're talking postcodes, we're talking two. Just when I talk cheese, I'm talking blue. Pull out a Rizzler, King Slim blue. Arrange back, poke, tear, lick, see.
It's the evangelical, holy, low-key, no-breed spectacle. No need for me to get technical, cause I take flow to the next level. Oh, it's the evangelical, low-key, holy, no-breed spectacle. No need for me to get technical, cause I take flow to the next level. Oh, okay, smooth.
Now it's flow time.
Who likes flow? I like flow.
Who likes Gary? I've got a little something.
Bullshot, Gabby. Is it, Gabby? Step up.
Guess who's back? It's not Eminem. Guess who's black? It's not Eminem. You know who's back off a beating track? It's Gubby getting grubby on another track with the lyrics that are dusty when I leave my pen. I ran my lines out quick like MSN. Didn't hear me first time, I won't say it again. When you hear my bars, you'll never again think to spit bars, a few cheeky pars, and put up the link to impress your friends. They're not impressed, they're embarrassed. When they hear my tin, I like play it again. Quick, fast, don't make me say it again like Faldo. The pars never end like Jonah. He's a bait legend. Look at those eyes, he must be Ben, which makes me say, say la vie. When I spit bars, I'm always lean, cause it keeps me keen, cause I gotta get mean, cause I gotta get seen. Like a promo thing, but she's a no-show. Okay.
Go in.
Got a nice link, but she's a no, so I've got it going like a unicorn. Oh no, better resort to JoJo. Met her on Facebook, she was so best in the flesh, but she's a hobo. She hands it round like a promo. She's easy to catch from a dodo, so I don't have to resort to my mojo. Just smoke some on my homegrown. I'm shotting big sacks like Santa, ho ho.
Ho, ho.
Yo. Now she's moving in slow-mo. If she pulls a whitey, then it's a no-no. When 34 comes and she don't go home, that's how I know it's all systems go. Now I'm pulling a whitey. Oh. Yes, that's standard. Like when your team comes down under my standard. Don't get angered, I'm just not the same standard. My bars are greasy like a Spaniard. Yours are as unique as a blackbird. Your crew was spit like a faction because you move ass backwards. Don't get flattered by all this attention. Somebody tampered with your comprehension. All that matters is my ascension. Jay can keep chatting about the fourth dimension, but I'm gonna stay with these three and keep the space between us.